Want to analyze ETF holdings, track fund flows, and evaluate risk scores in seconds? You can access comprehensive ETF data from ETF Global through Massive's API. What is ETF Global? It's institutional-grade ETF research data, now available through Massive. You get constituent data to see exactly what's inside any ETF, fund flows to track investor sentiment, proprietary analytics with risk and reward scores, detailed profiles with AUM and expense ratios, and taxonomies to classify strategies and structures. To see it in action, we've built an interactive Streamlit dashboard that brings together all 5 endpoints in one place. I have already cloned the repo and opened it up in an IDE. I also copied my env file, and I'm going to paste in my Massive API key. Then all we have to do is run this command to activate the dashboard. The dashboard automatically calculates concentration metrics from holdings. For example, for SPY, we see that it has a large share of NVIDIA and Apple. It also builds out rolling Z-scores to detect fund flow momentum. So I go over to the fund flows tab. I can see over the last, I think this is, 30 days? It can shows the inflows and outflows. And if we go down, we can see the Z-score that it's providing. It also renders risk-reward scorecards with visual charts. And it synthesizes everything into actionable insights up here at the top. You can explore any ETF by ticker. For example, instead of SPY, if I typed in QQQ, I can also change the effective date as well as the look back. After I hit enter, it will go find the information specifically for QQQ. And under the hood, this dashboard is using, like I said earlier, the 5 new endpoints that we've launched in tandem with ETF Global. For this demo to work, you will need a Massive API key with ETF Global add-ons enabled. These are available as flexible subscriptions starting at $99 per month per data type. And that's it. All you have to do is clone the repo, plug in your Massive API key, and then you can start exploring ETF data. And remember, keep building something massive.